In this tutorial, we will learn about JSON, a lightweight and widely used data format. JSON allows us to store and exchange data in a way that is easy for both humans and machines to read. We will cover the basic structure of JSON, including strings, numbers, objects, arrays, booleans, and null values, and see practical examples of how each type is used. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to create, read, and use JSON in real-world applications like web development and APIs. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight data format used to store and exchange data. JSON is designed to be easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate, making it one of the most popular formats for data transfer in web applications and APIs. There are several types of data in JSON. Strings are text values, such as hello world, Lucy, and George. Numbers can be integers, decimals, or scientific notation, for example, 15, 3.14, -8, and 5.63. Objects are collections of key value pairs, like language, Python. Arrays are ordered lists of values, which can include numbers or strings, such as 5, 8, 9, or red, green, blue. Booleans represent true or false values, and null represents an empty or missing value. JSON flexibility in handling all these types makes it ideal for exchanging and storing structured data. The JSON object has two pieces of data. The first is a string with a key name and the value Lucy. The second is a number with a key age and the value 30. This simple structure shows how JSON can store different types of data together in a single object. In this example, the JSON object has a key called program, and its value is another object containing two key value pairs. Inside program, the key language has the value Python, and the key course has the value computer science. This shows how JSON objects can nest other objects, allowing related data to be grouped together in a clear and organized structure. The next example is a JSON array that lists a person's hobbies. The key hobbies has an array as its value, containing the strings reading, gaming, and coding. This shows how JSON arrays can store multiple values in an ordered list, making it easy to represent collections of related data within a JSON object. In this example, the JSON key is student has the value true, which is a Boolean. Booleans in JSON can only be true or false, and are used to represent yes, no, or on-off states. This shows how JSON can store simple logical values to indicate conditions or statuses. Lastly, the JSON key name has the value null. In JSON, null represents an empty or missing value. This is useful when a piece of data is not yet available, unknown, or intentionally left blank, allowing the structure of the JSON object to remain consistent. You have now learned the basic structure of JSON, including how to use strings, numbers, objects, arrays, booleans, and null values. Understanding these fundamental elements is essential for creating, reading, and exchanging data in a format that is both human-readable and machine-friendly. With this foundation, you can start working with JSON in real-world applications, such as web development, APIs, and configuration files.